Okay, good day everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Timothy Alewala and I'm the lead expert at classicdigitalshub. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. And if you're a new subscriber, ensure to click on the subscribe button and click on the notification videos. I share videos on social media marketing and management and general social media tips that you can use to meet your clients and your own goals on social media. I share videos twice in a week, every Tuesday and also on Friday. Okay, so let's go right into it. This video is specifically for newbies who are just getting or people just getting started in social media marketing or management. And today we're talking about free social media marketing courses that you can take online. Free social media marketing courses that you can take online. Now, some of these courses I've taken them and some have not taken them, and we get to examine that as we go along in the video. So let's go right into it. Number one, HubSpot Academy. When you're ranking social media marketing courses online, HubSpot will be among the best three that you can ever take. Now, it offers a number of courses on digital marketing as a whole and also social media marketing. Social media marketing. Now, we have inbound marketing, social media marketing, content creation, and branding. As an individual, I've taken social media marketing. I've also taken their course on content. I'm taking their courses on inbound marketing. Now, HubSpot marketing courses is in depth, and trust me, as you take the courses, ensure you are writing down because there's an exam at the end, and if you pass the exam, very number of percentage, you'll be handed over a certificate that you can put on your social media pages. And as I've said, I've taken the courses, and in the video description, I'm going to be putting a link to all of these courses. Okay, let's go right into number two. Number two, we have Simply Learn. Now, Simply Learn has both their website and their YouTube channel. Now, on their website, we have they cover a number of digital skills. We have digital analysis and all of that. But my concern here is digital marketing. Now, number one, if you go to their channel, you have courses. You also have for masters. You also have for undergraduates. Undergraduate, if I can remember so well. Now, if you go to their courses, you click on the courses, you can take as many courses as you want on social media marketing or on digital marketing as a whole. The course is in depth. Or now, Simply does not offer certificate. You have to pay to have access to the certificate. I can't remember the price right now. Or you go to their YouTube channel and get access to their videos. Just click on social media marketing courses on Simply Learn, as I indicated in the picture here. I see a number of their videos. Now, obviously, you need data to access. I will advise that you download it and watch it like 2 or 3 times at your own pace. You understand? Because the videos are quite long. For instance, look at the social media marketing full course. You see it's about 5 or 6 hours. And we have some that are 2 hours, so you can always watch them at your own pace. I watched about 2 or 3 of them then, and while I was preparing for this particular video, I realized that okay, I can still go and watch some of these newer videos because I watched them around 2020, 2019. I can't remember the specific year now. So let's go right into number three. Number three, we have Hootsuite. Now, Hootsuite is a scheduling tool that allows people to schedule content to the various social media channels, but they also have courses that a short social media course that you can take. As I said, I'll put a link to the course in the video description so I can have access to this course. Now, the course is short, but it also gives you a little insight into what social media marketing is like. And trust me, you can take it. I've taken this particular course and I had an easy way passing the course because then I'd grown in knowledge in social media marketing and digital marketing as a whole. At the time I took Hootsuite courses. But if you're a new beginner, why not try out the course? And number four, we have InMarket Initiatives. Now, InMarket Institute courses are different from the other courses in that when you register for a particular course, they give you a PDF that you can read. And the PDF, trust me, is digestible. It's easy to understand. So once you read the PDF, you can now attempt the exams. You can attempt the exams, and if you pass, I think 60% is the passing rate or 70%. I cannot actually remember at this particular time. But when you pass, you're also given a certificate that you can paste on a social media platform. Trust me, I've taken a number of courses in Marketing Institute. It's something short, it's not video like the others, and it's relatable, like quite useful too. So I'll drop the link in the video's description and ensure to click on the links and get across to the videos. Now, what are the others? So the next one, I put others here because if you take these four courses and you really put in your mind into it, I believe, so I don't be like the biblical story that says ever learning but not coming to knowledge of truth. So after learning some of these things, I feel it does best to just go ahead and jump in to start practicing with your page. I'll create a newer video, talk about how to be a social media manager from scratch, what you can do next after taking some of these courses. But so that's why I put them in four. If not, there are so many courses. But when you begin to take course, and you're not practicing, so you're meant to be practicing and so they're going this training as well. So others courses that you can take, Coursera, some are free, many are paid. Many are paid, right? So you see a few ones around. We have EDX, we have from Udemy, and we have from Allinson. I did not take from Coursera, I did not take from EDX, I did not take from Udemy. But I have friends who took social media marketing courses from these platforms. And we have Allinson. Now, some of these courses you get to understand that the teachers are foreigners, they are not Nigerians, they are not Africans. And some of the things they say may not be relatable to the Nigerian market. As I say, you should take some of these courses and go and practice with your page, go and practice your social media pages, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and look for where to intern or better clients that you can work with. I'll create another video where I'll talk in depth on what you should do after taking some of these courses. But if you're a newbie and you don't know which courses to take, these are a number of them. You can take them, and I wish you good luck. Which one of these courses will you be taking? Drop it in the comment section, and who knows, I may be of help what you can do. Okay, so I've come right to the end of today's video. Please, if you have not subscribed, please ensure to subscribe. Click on the notification button, and I'll be dropping next video on Friday if you are watching today, Tuesday. Okay, I've come to the end of the video. Please subscribe. Thank you so much.